expression of interest form, and I was there before the screening committee, and I answered their question. I came out, I addressed media, and even 2 days ago, I was on another platform of TVC addressing questions. I believe saying that am I still there is a non-question. But where I am, this one is a valid question.
It's actually deliberate.
Where I am today, yes, we can say we are grateful to Allah that so far, so good. The journey has been very interesting, very encouraging, very pleasant, among many others. Because what is most important in politics, even though each and every stakeholder is critical, but what is most important is to be accepted by the grassroots. If the grassroots accepts you, that is the most important thing that you must consider, because politics is always local. It is always local, and that local should always be the priority and the preference. In addition to that, there are many other stakeholders that wish us all the best. They always stand by us, they stand by Nigeria, and they always want to make sure that justice is done for each and every Nigerian in any situation.
Why do you want to be governor after serving as minister?
Firstly, the aspiration is not just about ambition, but rather about service. It is not about the status, but about the opportunity to contribute to the society that produced you. It is not in any way about exploitation, but rather about making yourself available to ensure that we achieve a secure, productive, and self-reliant Gombe State. I served as the minister from 2019 to 2023. My scorecard is out there for everyone to see. Since we have been tested and trusted, and with all sense of humility, Almighty has guided us to deliver. Then by implication, we are not approaching our people, inviting them to accept us and try, but rather we have been tested. So it is because of the experience we gathered while serving as the DG of NIDA and also as the Minister of Communications and Digital Economy of Nigeria. With this test and the trust, I believe it is an opportunity for us to be presented to our people to continue to serve, not only to attain the status, but rather to serve. Furthermore, the agitation did not begin with me, but rather the agitation started from the grassroots and other stakeholders that were reaching out to me day in, day out, encouraging me to be part and parcel of the process. At the initial stage, I personally rejected the invitation. But some of our colleagues, friends, elders, leaders insisted that you need to revisit your decision. And with this, I decided to pray to the Almighty for his guidance, because sometimes your decision that you can take based on your personal opinion or perception could be right and could be wrong. At certain situations, you need divine guidance to guide you in taking the decision. So we supplicated to the Almighty, we begged for his intervention as for his guidance. At the end of it, we were convinced that we can give it a trial, and we rely on the Almighty Allah to guide us and make us very successful.
And when I asked earlier that are you still interested, it was actually a guided question, because I wanted to get somewhere. Okay. We've seen it, especially within the APC family. God, governors are so powerful, including your governor. And he has chosen a successor.
I think I have answered all these questions on TVC and also on BBC Hausa. With this, I will apologize to you. Let us go to another more important questions.